Hello everyone, I'm your host with an amazing brand new video in which we will talk about how to make $100 per day online. First of all, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos. Are you confined to a work that you detest from 9 to 5? Or perhaps I should say that you detest it and detest wasting your time. Are you trying to find a new, simple, and better approach to making $100 every day? Why not conduct it online then? The internet is the best tool for producing money in the 21st century. Number 1. Paid surveys. Taking paid surveys is a simple internet side job you may do to earn money quickly. Did you know that there are numerous websites out there that invite you to participate in surveys in exchange for payment? Even that, it's not the most lucrative endeavor. Since it's so simple and accessible, it's worth a try. Don't be concerned about the authenticity of this source of income. Paid surveys are entirely legal, and hundreds of companies employ them now. The internet enables businesses to connect with people who can give them trustworthy data, people they otherwise wouldn't have the chance to reach, and this helps them improve their products and services as well as develop new ones. Yes, you play a role in this, giving your opinion on a service or product and getting paid for it. What a paid survey is all about. Simply register for free on a website that pays people to take surveys online to start making money. However, watch out for websites that demand payment for you to use their surveys. Number 2. Freelance writing. You should pursue freelance writing if you have strong writing abilities and can swiftly pick up on a variety of various themes in a short amount of time. You can earn less than $100 per day or more than $100 per day, depending on the volume of work, the client's budget, and the type of work. The majority of word count requirements fall between 1,200 and 2,000 words. However, some are even less than 500 words. There are several websites available today where you can look for freelance work. Simply registering and declaring your qualification is all that's required. Some of the websites might want a sample portfolio. Number 3. Write sponsored posts. The definition of sponsored posts is quite obvious. In essence, organizations and businesses pay you to post positive things on your website or blog about them, their service, and their products. You should discuss a product or a brand you like, explain how you utilize it, and let your readers know how they may gain from it as well. Then you should write about how frequently you produce sponsored pieces, who pays you, etc., are all aspects that will determine how much money you make. Payments range from a few $100s to several $1,000s for each post. But if your site has a lot of traffic, payments can reach tens of thousands of dollars. Visit Alexis Schroeder's blog financials. That's how you spell it, yes? For additional information on how you can start producing and publishing sponsored posts on your site. She walks you through every stage in detail and offers advice on how much to charge for your posts, as well as the guidelines you must adhere to when writing them. Number 4. Coaching and consultation. Coaching is a fantastic method to make money online, provided you are an authority in a particular industry. If you first put some effort into developing your brand online through your website, this usually works pretty effectively. People will start approaching you on their own once they start to trust you and understand that you are knowledgeable and trustworthy. They will want to know how you got to where you are and how they can use the same strategy for their startups or well-established businesses. At first, you might feel inclined to offer an advice for free, but as more people come to you, you will be compelled to start charging for appointments. Again, the market you are in will determine how much money you will make from your sessions. Business coaches make a respectable wage of about $235 per hour, and executive coaches get an even higher wage of $325 per hour. Although less the coaches stated above, other sorts of coaches such as life coaches can earn up to $160 per hour. Number 5. Create an ebook or market another digital good. This is a rather simple method of earning money online. This only works if you have a certain level of competence in the subject matter and can articulate why you are producing the ebook. However, you can also write something more concise, such as an online tutorial or guide. Meal planning and workout routines can be created if you work in the nutrition or sports niches, respectively. Additionally, you can create a particular kind of digital subscription in which you serialize your knowledge or experience, offer step-by-step instructions, and continuously produce new content for your members. Once you get into the game, turning a profit is fairly simple to do. You don't need to maintain any sort of inventory or supply of actual t-shirts because Amazon will take care of that. All you have to do is come up with a stand-out design and market it. Number 6. Google AdSense requires a website but offers a daily income of $100. Google AdSense is a digital advertising platform created by Google for use by bloggers, website owners, and YouTubers who wish to monetize their content using Google's advertising. It's a relatively easy approach to make money online. After registering for the program, Google will provide you with an AdSense code, which you must copy and paste onto your website. The end of that. From that point on, Google handles the majority of the labor, and you are compensated for each ad click. Naturally, your niche will have an impact on the performance of your AdSense program. Number 7. Design online classes. Similar to coaching, offering online courses requires a deeper knowledge of a certain subject or set of skills. Online courses have emerged as a mechanism for people to continue learning and stay connected due to the need for the social seclusion and the general concern the epidemic has sparked. As a result, your expertise is likely to be much more valued today. There are many websites available that can assist you in creating your online course. Number 8. Make physical goods available online. It's not a bad idea to invest in your craft and attempt selling your works online if you're incredibly creative, enjoy it as a pastime, and/or very skilled at it. Whatever it is, there is a spot on the internet for it, whether it be handmade soaps, handmade candles, handmade jewelry, t-shirts, shawls, various articles of apparel, mugs, or illustrations. Number 9. Engage in virtual assistance work. As a virtual assistant, you may provide the support that bloggers and owners of the internet businesses need. You will need to do some admin work and post on the social media, but it's often a simple job that you can do from home. You can even provide customer service. Your employer's needs will determine the specifics of your job description. For business to run properly, you will take care of whatever your employer requires right now. On the same websites that advertise freelance work, some of which I listed in the section on the freelancing writing, you can look for the VA jobs. Number 1. Purchase and sell domain names and website. Yes, occasionally making a lot of money through the domain and website trading is possible. Check out Flippa, a service that provides websites, applications, and digital real estate. If you want to look for websites to buy and then sell like an online business. How does it function? Well, it's simple. Site owners may run out of time to maintain their website or grow bored or go to something else. You can help with that, especially if you don't want to build a website from scratch. You can generate money from already running advertisements, or you can try to buy a cheaper site and expand it so that you can sell it for more money, or keep it if it makes money for you. So here's the end of this interesting video. Did you like it? Please post your valuable comments in our comment section and remember to subscribe to our channel.